Uno, dos, tres.
Welcome to EA Sports live coverage of the Scottish Premier League. Today it's Aberdeen against Hibernian.
Yeah, delighted to be here. Or else it will never turn. Wolf. Goal! Fantastic header! Brilliantly rounded off with the header. Oh, I love the way he timed his run there. His starting position was excellent. Well, some people say it's a dying art, heading the ball, but nobody's told this lad because he works hard.
Robertson. Wolf. The defenders come in well here. Timed his approach and got the ball. Stevenson. Will be adjudged offside here. Close, but got to get the movement timed a little bit better. And the opponents come in strongly. Flood. Could get his cross in now. Robertson. And the attacker coming away with help on either side. Wolf. The referee has signalled for half-time, and it's 1-0 here. The interceptor has got the ball here. And now there's a chance to attack from the tackle. Well, that looked promising, but he's been stopped. Of the home team, 7 points they've got from their last 5 league games.
Well, could have done better, of course, they could have done worse, but in front of their own fans here, they'll be hoping to do better.
Looking for an opening with some good controlled build-up. Options now for the pass. This is great teamwork, the way they're knocking the ball around. Well, here comes a substitution for the away team. And he takes the shot. Oh, so close. Hit the crossbar. Frustrating is this for the other team, trying to get the touch of the ball. Some options on the bench for the home team. Wolf. Bit of concern, I think, from us for today's visit. One back very quickly. Personnel for both teams at this moment. Robertson.
Looking for somebody to pick out a hole, create the pass, create the goal.
1 or 2 players are warming up for the home team. We'll see. Wolf.
Him getting an equaliser.
Forster. Well read. Ah, he takes the shot. Pushed back into goal. And that's a cross. That's a vital stop. And in he goes with the tackle. Here we are, the end of the game, and it's 1-1. Well, the end is closer than the scoreline suggests, Alan.
Yeah, I think so. It was difficult over the course of the 90 minutes to separate the...
With the final score...